Welcome to GCSE Maths Help. Today we're going to be looking at some basic algebra exam paper questions. This video is a follow-on from my basic algebra key points video, which I will link in the bio below. If you haven't watched that video, you might find it useful before looking at exam questions. For everyone else, let's get started. So our first question says, circle the expression that is equivalent to 3a minus a times 4a plus 2a. So our previous maths knowledge tells us that when there's a long line of things happening in an equation, we need to deal with the multiplication and division first before we do the addition and subtraction. So we've got 3a minus a times 4a plus 2a. We need to deal with this bit first. So that will give us 3a minus 4a squared plus 2a. So now we can gather up our like terms. So we've got a and a squared in this equation. They need to be kept separate because different things are happening to a. So we can simplify this to 5a minus 4a squared, meaning this is the expression that we're looking for. So our next question says solve x divided by x plus 4 plus 7 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 1. You must show you're working. So before we can start gathering the x terms together, we need to get rid of the fractions. So I'm going to times all of the components by x plus 4. So that gives us x divided by x plus 4 times x plus 4 is just x on its own, plus 7 times x plus 4 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 1 times x plus 4. So now I'm going to times all of the components by x minus 2. So that gives us x times x minus 2 plus 7 x plus 4 divided by x minus 2 times x minus 2 is equal to x plus 4 times x minus 2. So now we can go about expanding all of these brackets. So the first one is going to give us x squared minus 2x, and then add that together with 7x plus 28 is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 8. So if we gather up our like terms, we've got x squared plus 5x plus 28 is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. So if we minus x squared from both sides, we get 5x plus 28 is equal to 2x minus 8. So if we minus 2x from both sides, we get 3x plus 28 is equal to minus 8. And then if we minus 28 from both sides, we get 3x is equal to minus 36, and divide both sides by 3, x is equal to minus 12. So our last question says, work out the values of a and b in the identity 7x plus 8 times by 5 plus 2x plus b times by 3 is always equal to ax plus 13. The three lines in the middle of the identity just mean is always equal to. So let's start by expanding out the brackets. So we've got 5 times 7x is 35x, plus 5 times 8 is 40, plus 3 times 2x is 6x, plus 3 times b is 3b, is always equal to ax plus 13. So if we gather up our like terms to start with, we've got 41x plus 40 plus 3b is always equal to ax plus 13. So we can see from the two sides of the equation that our 41x on one side and our ax on the other side are the only components that involve x. So a must be equal to 41. So we can put that in at the bottom already. So the rest of the equation leaves us with 40 plus 3b is always equal to 13. So we can use this to find b. So if we minus 40 from both sides, we get 3b is always equal to minus 27. Divide both sides by 3 to give us b is always equal to -9. So we can pop that in at the bottom. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to have a little recap on the key points on this topic, click the link in the bio below. Don't forget to subscribe to GCSE Maths Help with the subscribe button below, or you can check out my Instagram page at GCSE Maths Help for more videos and tips. Thanks for watching.